Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to unlock the Organized Chaos achievement in Terraria. To get this achievement, you need to obtain the Rod of Discord, one of the rarest items in the game. The Rod of Discord drops from Chaos Elementals, enemies that spawn in the underground Hallow during hard mode. Because the drop rate is extremely low, you'll probably need to farm these enemies for a while. To start farming, head to the underground Hallow and move around so enemies keep spawning. Chaos Elementals only appear if you're actively moving or attacking, so you can't just stand still. Using items like battle potions and water candles can increase spawn rates and help you find Chaos Elementals faster. Once a Chaos Elemental finally drops the Rod of Discord, pick it up and the Organized Chaos achievement will unlock automatically. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more Terraria tutorials.